Hey guys, you've probably seen kind of a sneak peek to Blue Bloods or have received the palette yourself, and I actually just received my palette yesterday, so I decided to just do a quick unboxing video and a quick makeup look for that. I have loved Jeffree Star's cosmetics for a long time, but I've never actually purchased anything from him before. Once he became a YouTuber and I was able to see more of his products and how they work and everything, I realized that they're really good products and that I should probably get on that. So let's get started. So the box comes in this big pink box with the Jeffree Star tape, and yeah, so let's just crack that open. I don't even want to cut the tape, it's too cute, but gotta get my palette somehow. Some more branded tissue paper, and there's blue tissue paper around the actual palette. And guys, this feels thick. Like, it feels like a large palette, larger than I thought it would be, honestly. It also feels like it's wrapped in bubble wrap, which is always nice. I always get stressed about ordering things online, so that's always nice that they definitely package it really well. And it just has that little Blue Blood sticker right there. Hello. It's honestly prettier than I could have even imagined. I am very excited to open this and just kind of see what the tea is. Hello? Like, I thought this looked quality in his video, but I'm impressed. I don't think I've ever owned a palette this nice. So let's just open this up. I have seen the colors in his video, but not in real life, so hello? These are literally so nice. Hello. When you see yourself, Inception who? When I watched his video, I really liked this ocean ice color, so I'm probably gonna build that look off of that color and go from there. Let's just quickly put on some foundation and get started with this look. I'm just gonna use this beauty blender, and I use Burt Bees foundation in porcelain. So I'm just gonna put a little of that on there. And I'm also adding to that the Hocus Pocus Instant Visual Floss Softener. It's just an illuminator. Not sure if it's Jeffree Star approved, but it's definitely approved by me. I feel like this is always the awkward part. So now that we have that foundation on, we're just going to prime our eyes. I actually use Urban Decay's eyeshadow primer potion, which you probably know by now if you've seen any of my other makeup videos, because this is the only primer I own. There's just so many nice colors, I don't even know where to start, honestly. In this mirror, like, it's nice. So now, with this quality palette, I'm going to use some not so quality brushes and try to complete this look. Start with a little bit of mint tea, just this light green color here. It's got a little star on it, I love that. And let's just dip that into the inner corners of our eyes. Oh my god. Blend that a little bit into our crease. Hello, pigment. Next, I'm just going to add this Flourishing color. It's nice teal right here. Kind of more towards the center of our eyes there. Just add a little bit of that to your crease. Doing great. You really don't need a lot of this to get it pretty pigmented, which is nice. We're just gonna keep blending that together just so they meet nicely. This is definitely way more pigmented than anything I've used before. I really don't buy too many luxury makeup brands or pricier or anything like that, you know, quality. I typically stick to more drugstore brands, like e.l.f. specifically is definitely one that I am in love with, all about e.l.f. Thank you for being Jeffree Star approved. Yeah, so I'm definitely impressed. Like, do you see that pigment? Hello? So let's just dip into that Flourishing shade, that nice teal color there, and just kind of swipe that under our eyes a little bit. So that's how this looks so far. And then just since I really curious about this shade, Crystal Flesh. It kind of looks like something that I would typically use. Yeah, so I'm kind of interested in the pigment and how that looks on me, compared to what I normally use in my day-to-day. So let's just grab another brush real fast, just so we don't get any blue mixed into this. And I'm just gonna dip into Crystal Flesh. Whoop. Just put that in the inner corners of my eye just for a little extra highlight. More of a subtle color. I am pretty pale, so it's pretty close to my skin tone, but it does add a nice highlight into my inner eyes. So I definitely appreciate that. So moving forward, I'm just gonna use, well, I think it's the color that I'm most excited for. It's Ocean Ice. It's this dark blue-black glittery shade. Definitely iconic. We're just gonna put that into our crease. It's definitely a pretty dark shade. And just blend out. Hello there. Hello. Keep blending that out a little bit. I'm definitely impressed with this product, and this definitely makes me want to buy more Jeffree Star products in the future. I think this product is definitely one of a kind, and I just feel bad that Jeffree's gone through all of the drama with people stealing his products. I don't support that. That's not cool. But yeah, so definitely buy his palette if you can. I think it's sold out at the moment, but soon it'll be here. And yeah, I'm going to be using Cullinan, Most Expensive Diamond, that shade, as a quick little highlight just to get a little bit more dimension. Dip into that with the beauty sponge. Hello. I love palettes that can do your face and your eyes, because that's always helpful when you're in a rush and just want to grab one thing and be done. Cupid's bow, chin, a little bit on the nose. Only adds a nice, bright yet a little subtle highlight. So next I'm just gonna line my eyes and put on some Urban Decay Troublemaker mascara just to finish our eye look. Hello. So we definitely have an extra long winged eyeliner look for this dramatic, colorful vibe going on here. And let's get that mascara on. Then to finish this look off, I'm just gonna add some lipstick. Sadly, I couldn't get the shade that I personally wanted from Jeffree Star because all the ones that I wanted were sold out. But I'm just gonna use something that's Jeffree Star approved, e.l.f.'s lipstick. This is in Nude Rose, I guess by Liz Ashley. And yeah, so I know he's had a lot of support for e.l.f., so here we go. So now we have our finished look, and I definitely think that I'm very impressed with this palette. I'm excited to use all the other colors in it and create some fun looks, and yeah, I think it's cool because I've never actually seen a palette that had so many blues in it, and it's definitely a color that I, like many others probably, have been kind of afraid to try out a lot of the times. I feel like it's a very vibrant color, and it's hard to get right in makeup a lot of the times. I've used some pretty bad blues before, but these are amazing. I'm so excited that I made the decision of buying this, and yeah, so I hope you liked today's video. I had a lot of fun creating this makeup look and unboxing this new palette. So excited for this, oh my gosh. And yeah, so I post videos every Sunday and most Wednesdays, so if you'd like to see more content, then please hit subscribe. And I have a lot of fun DIYs, makeup looks, and maybe some music, who knows, coming your way soon. Thanks guys, see you later.